Sanibonani bafundi, namhlanje sifunda ngezinsuku zeviki. We are learning about the days of the week in isiZulu. Umsombuluko, umsombuluko, it's Monday. Umsombuluko, Monday. ULwesibili, uLwesibili, Tuesday. ULwesithathu, uLwesithathu, Wednesday. ULwesithathu, Wednesday. ULwesine, Thursday. ULwesine, Thursday. ULwesihlanu, Friday. ULwesihlanu, Friday. UMgqibelo, Saturday. UMgqibelo, Saturday. Isonto, Sunday. Isonto, Sunday. How do we say on Monday or on Tuesday or whichever day of the week? We say ngomsombuluko. Ngomsombuluko. That's on Monday. Or we can say ngolwesibili, that is on Tuesday. Going on to other days, except for one day, which is isonto, then we say ngesonto. So instead of that O after NG, we just put E, and then we put sonto, ngesonto. Let's look at some of the examples. NgoMsombuluko ngiya esikoleni. On Monday I am going to school. Umama uya edolobheni ngoLwesine. Mom is going to town on Thursday. Izingane bezinomcimbi ngoMgqibelo. The children had a function on Saturday. Ubaba uzofika ngoLwesithathu. Dad will arrive on Wednesday. That is all for today. Siqedile kwanamhlanje. Salani kahle bafundi.